Hello guys, I want to show you guys how to set up your MActive Pro Smartwatch app. So first you have to get your phone and go to your Apple Store or to your Google Play Store. So we have to use Google Play Store. We have to search for this app, or we scan the QR code right over here. You can see the QR code is MActive Pro. So you have to search for it right here, MActive Pro. So you can see this is the app right here. So I have to download it and then open it. So after that, you have to make sure that your smartwatch is on. So you can long press right here to enable the smartwatch to come on. So right here you can enable it to come on, and from here too you can long press. You can also off it. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. You can off it and also long press. You can turn it on. So it's on now. So what we're gonna do now is to log in. You can log in or sign up, but we have to visit login. Please read and so you have to agree on these terms and conditions. So then click right here. So you have to wait for it to load out. So after loading out, you can just select your gender, select your height, everything, and then click on save. You can also add your profile pictures here. So after that, you have to enable the app to have some permissions. So as you can see you have to enable it. So turn on, click on turn on. So you have to allow the location, click on allow, then click on turn on. So you can see the main menu of this particular smartwatch app, which is MActive Pro. So if we want to connect it now, we have to come right down here, the right device. You can see here is the device section. So if we want to connect it now, we have to click right here, add device. So before we add the device, we have to turn on our Bluetooth. So we have to turn on our Bluetooth. So our Bluetooth is on now, so we have to scroll back and then click on add device. So you will start searching for this device. So this is the smartwatch. You have to click on connect. So it's connected now. As you can see, it's connected. So you have to click right here to finish. So it's connected now. See? So it's connected. So from here now, we can decide to change the face of the watch. You can see. So we can easily install any of the face watch and then make use of it. Let me just install this one. Download. So it's downloading now. So as you can see, it's downloading. So it's there now. You see, it's here now. So we have to go back. Let me show you guys other features, other things that you can do with the smartwatch app. So let's go back. So since we are connected now, we have to go right here to enable some features of the smartwatch. You understand? So we have to click on this message notification, click on this MActive, then enable it. We have to enable it, then go back. So now it's loading out. So it has loaded out now, so we can enable call to come inside the phone. So Facebook I've already enabled, so we can easily enable call. So we can also be able to make calls and receive calls. So click on allow, enable SMSs, allow. So when you come up, we have to do that real fast. Okay, pairing request, we have to pair it. So that's it. So you have to click right here and pair. So we have paired it. Okay, so now we have paired it. So from here we can easily find the smartwatch from here. So play sound. See, so and this is where the speaker of the smartwatch is. As you can see, this is the speaker. So we can easily play the sound then. So we can use the phone to find the smartwatch, and we can also use the smartwatch to find the phone. Here, so you can tap on it. So your phone is making sound. You see, so the phone is making sound. So we can set alarm. You can set, so once your phone is connected to the smartwatch, the time will automatically set. You can see, tap on the camera, Bluetooth camera. So this is it. So we have to enable this to be able to work. So we have to, so you can see, so as you can see, you can easily take pictures. See, just tap on it, it will snap. See, I've snapped. So that's it. So it has a very nice feature. You can also record right here. Let me just record. This is the record that I will just record. So let me just record another one. Hello, how are you doing? I hope you are good. So let me play that. Hello, how are you doing? I hope you are good. See, so the recording is working perfectly well. So if you want to go back, just tap on this button and you can easily go back. So other features that this smartwatch has is that you can easily calculate with it. You can see the calculator, and you can also note things down. So this is a contribution note. So, and it has a temperature measuring. So this is the temperature measuring. Before you walk, you have to just wear it. See, so you can easily wear it for wrist. So there is a lot of features that comes with this particular smartwatch. This is the light, and also this is the Apple Store, the App Store. So from here you can easily also just measure that from there. So here is your message. When message coming to your phone, you can easily get it from here. So, and you can play music from here. Let me show you guys the music section. So you can easily play music from here. If I have music right in the phone, it can play from the smartwatch. You can enjoy it. It has a very nice speaker sound. So you can see from here, you can also be able to control the menu of the smartwatch. As you can see, you can see from here, you can easily control it. And I show you guys how to control, how to change the menu, the face wash, which is the wallpaper. So you can ask ChatGPT right from here, how are you doing? Details, description. See, so this is the ChatGPT. So this is Facebook. This is the where you can set your language. So you can easily set your language from here. If you speak French, you can add French. So when you turn on the watch and it comes with French, you can easily tap on this icon right here to change the language to English. Okay, so from here you can decide to link your Alipay to the smartwatch and your PayPal to the smartwatch, so you can easily pay with the smartwatch. Okay, so I think this is all for the smartwatch, and let me show you guys how to charge the smartwatch. So this is the charger. So if you want to charge the smartwatch, you can easily just put it here and then plug this one on your charger or on your power bank. So it's magnetic. You can see it's very magnetic. So there's it. So when message comes into your phone, you can easily receive it. You understand? So this is the measuring part of X. You can receive S messages, and if you want it to be listed, the apps to be listened, you can easily switch it like this. It has translator. See the translator, right? So has translator. This is the activity. These are some of the things that it comes with. So you can see find my phone, flashlight, calendar, voice control, record memo, photo album. So from here we can easily see some of the photos, and please download from the app. So we can easily download photos from the app. Okay, so this DeepSeek, Grok, language changing, and translator, Facebook, Instagram, Lite, X, the settings. So from here you can see your notification, D&D, do not disturb mode. So this is your D&D mode. Okay, so this is all that I have to show you guys about this 10S Pro MicroWear Smartwatch. So you can see how nice it is. So it's a very nice, beautiful smartwatch. So thank you guys for watching. If you find this video helpful, like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.